Today in crypto. Crypto adoption scores another win with the Ivy League University of Pennsylvania, but there's a catch. The Wharton School, one of the premier business schools in the United States, will accept Bitcoin, BTC, and other forms of cryptocurrencies for tuition fees, Bloomberg reported. However, the adoption is limited to its new online blockchain and digital assets program scheduled to start in January. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. Cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com is rolling out a new ad featuring Hollywood star Matt Damon, which it plans to introduce to consumers worldwide. The fortune favors the brave ad, starring Damon amid a digital landscape of historic figures, including the Wright brothers and Sir Edmund Hillary, is aimed at reaching a global audience of potential crypto users and investors. According to Crypto.com, the ad will appear on billboards and in television spots around the world and be included in its portfolio of partnerships with major sports franchises and organizations. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. XDEFI Wallet unveils integration with Terra, LUNA. It is now live to all XDEFI Wallet users. XDEFI Wallet will also work with Pylon to set up a liquidity program on Terra, world's fastest DeFi and NFT wallet. XDEFI announces its integration with Terra. Before the official unveiling, the integration was live for a couple of weeks and underwent testing. Besides this, XDEFI Wallet supports 8 other chains. These include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Thorchain, Litecoin, Binance Chain, and Bitcoin Cash. XDEFI's CEO and co-founder, Mile Dubai, speaks on Terra. I believe that USD serves a unique purpose as a decentralized stablecoin and will become a key component of the crypto ecosystem. Terra's killer app is its accessible and UX-focused environment that caters for wider Web3 adoption. It is truly exciting to see how Terra has developed as a layer 1 and to see projects flourishing around UST. To specify, XDEFI Wallet is a fast DeFi and NFT wallet that allows users to use ape mode. In detail, ape mode is an innovative approach that ensures transactions are processed in the next block, which is across Terra, Ethereum, EVM blockchains, and Thorchain. Also, the wallet displays NFTs from all chains in a single drag-and-drop grid. Meanwhile, Terra is the 4th largest blockchain ecosystem with $8.6 billion in total value locked. TVL, according to DeFi Llama. To add on, Terra offers a suite of algorithmic fiat-pegged stablecoins through a programmable Layer 1 blockchain protocol. Terra's native token, Luna, which hit $18 billion earlier this year, consumes the short-term volatility of Terra's stablecoins. Terra CEO and co-founder, Do Kwon, also stated how happy he is. "We're thrilled to welcome XDEFI as a non-custodial wallet supporting the Terra ecosystem." XDEFI integrating Terra provides lunatics with one of the fastest and most user-friendly multi-chain wallets in the industry, including a customizable NFT display which is soon to feature Terra's booming NFT market. Similarly, XDEFI Wallet reveals they will be working with Pylon to develop a liquidity program on Terra. Precisely. Pylon is a suite of DeFi savings and payments products driven by user deposits that build on stable yield-bearing protocols such as Terra's Anchor protocol. Notably, half of the fund raised via Pylon will go into funding the early-stage projects of the Terra ecosystem. Moreover, the community will have decisive power over how the funds will be used. Co-founder of Pylon Protocol, Woojin Lim, expresses how thrilled Pylon is to work with XDEFI Wallet in a statement. "Our protocol is excited to partner with XDEFI Wallet to open up Pylon pools on Pylon Gateway, Terra's premier launchpad, and introduce yield-based deposit contract pools. We're looking forward to working together and growing Terra's ecosystem." XDEFI Wallet disclosed the public release of its next-generation browser wallet on the Chrome store and immediately accumulated over 35,000 users just a few weeks after launching. XDEFI also unveiled its token, XDEFI, through an initial decentralized exchange, DEX, offering. The token sale will be done via Miso, a suite of smart contracts that enables self-listing of Ethereum and BSC-based tokens on flagship DEX SushiSwap. Sushi. $1 million out of the total cap will be donated to Zkane.js development growth as a grant from the XDEFI team and investors. In summary, XDEFI Wallet is supported by a number of DeFi-centric funds and venture investors such as Mechanism Capital, Defiance Capital, Morningstar Ventures, Alameda Research, Sino Global Capital, Animoca Brands, and CoinGecko, as well as DeFi builders like Darren Lau, Mark Zeller, Scoopy Trouples, and Mariano Conti. Continue reading on CoinQuara. Cryptocurrency exchanges Bitfinex is preparing to test out a new anti-money laundering (AML) tool on its platform. The firm announced Wednesday that it will be testing a new solution designed for complying with the travel rule, an AML and counter-financing of terrorism regulation for financial institutions introduced by the Financial Action Task Force, FATF, in 2019. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. Binance, the world's leading blockchain ecosystem and cryptocurrency exchange, today announced that it has tapped GE and Edelman veteran, Patrick Hillman, as the organization's chief communications officer. Hillman will lead Binance's global communications and public affairs division as it continues to grow, evolve, and usher the industry into a new era as a critical pillar of the global economy. In just 4 years, Binance has grown at a pace rarely seen in recent history. As we continue our revolution from a disruptive tech startup to a respected global financial institution, we recognize that it was paramount that we recruit leading compliance, communications, and government affairs experts. Patrick's proven track record of successfully helping reposition some of the world's largest brands in highly regulated industries clearly sets him apart, said Binance company founder Yi. Serving as Binance's first chief communications officer, Hillman will oversee every aspect of the organization's corporate communications, public affairs, media relations and stakeholder engagement efforts. Hillman's purview will also include working alongside Binance's compliance and security leaders as the organization coordinates with global regulators. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, CZ, said, "We are working hand in glove with regulators around the world toward our mutual goal of protecting users, encouraging innovation and further establishing the industry." Patrick's 15 years of experience working on global regulatory issues, such as GDPR, will be critical in advancing that work. Before joining Binance, Hillman was the global head of innovation on Edelman's crisis and risk practice, where he spearheaded the firm's cybersecurity and counter-disinformation offerings. Prior to Edelman, Patrick held senior government affairs and public affairs positions at General Electric, NYSE, GE, and the National Association of Manufacturers, NAM. At GE and NAM, Patrick led those organizations' advocacy efforts in response to countless global policy issues. Joining the leadership team at Binance is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to leverage my experience to support an organization that is truly changing the world. As we continue to grow in cooperation with global regulators, the potential of this industry is virtually impossible to project today, said Hillman. This follows the recent appointments to Binance's global compliance team. Chief Regulatory Liaison Officer Mark McGuinness, who formerly served as Head of International Relations at the Dubai Financial Services Authority, DFSA, and Global Money Laundering Reporting Officer, GMLRO, Greg Monahan, a former U.S. Treasury criminal investigator, among many others. Information provided by Financial News Media. Email newsletter. Join to get the flip side of crypto. Upgrade your inbox and get our daily coin editors picks 1x a week delivered straight to your inbox. Contact Form 7. You can always unsubscribe with just one click. Continue reading on Daily Coin. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.